promised, here is our stainless steel slide ski installation video. We got tired of our plastic slide skis breaking. Hello friends, we are here with RV Mobile Repair and we're putting on our stainless steel slide skis. Woohoo! Hopefully never ever will we have a slide ski broken again. A big thank you to Mitch, RGV Fabricators, and our RV Tech Hans.
You see how they got it jacked up with the wood?
I think so.
Hopefully this video gives you valuable information regarding the replacement of plastic slide skis.
Well, here we are putting on our new slide skis. Stainless steel. Never ever again will we have a broken slide ski. Right? Right?
Look at that. Does it look good in there?
Yeah, perfect.
Just got to put a few holes in it.
That right there where you get fit.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
We're here with Hans today. Hans RV Mobile Repair. Doing an excellent work for us. We're putting on our new slide skis, stainless steel.
Let me know when you're there.
I'm there.
We appreciate everyone that has shared on YouTube their RV upgrades. We want to repay the favor by sharing our experiences too.
There we go. Keep her coming. Okay. Feels like it's on something. Is it grabbing on something? Okay, we got it. Whatever it was, you got by it.
Well, we looked at the jack a little
Yep,
bit.
that's what it was.
You're good.
I'm good.
Okay. Let me fall back to the coffee.
Okay. Okay, it's out.
Dinner?
Yep.
He's already got the trim on and everything.
Yeah. Everything's looking good. Hans got 2 of them in. The living room slides done. You know, the first one took the longest, of course, but he's rolling now. They're looking really good. I'm happy.
Yay!
We found Hans, our RV tech, to be very reliable and honest. We recommend contacting him as needed if you are in the Ocala, Reddick, Florida area. We hitting something?
Yeah.
Do we need to go up on the slide a little, maybe?
Yeah, go.
Just a little? Does that help? Yep, there it is. Whoop, hold on. It's not going to the side of the... We're hitting on something on your end to keep it from coming up over the lip. We need to go, there you go. Okay, I'm in. Looks good on our end. Not good?
Not on his end.
Okay.
Is your end way down right now?
Yes, now it's up. I'm all the way flush. We got a bit. You know, that's probably what was taking out the other slide all the time, the slide ski all the time, that plastic one.
It might have been. Although, when they're flexible like that, all it takes is just a little bit to get them all walking.
The only one left that was right.
We might have to cut the gap a little more. We're short about 1/8 of an inch. We got from the 90-degree bends not quite touching because of our cut, our groove you cut.
Okay, I'm gonna pull back and you're gonna show me.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as there's nothing in the way, we'll go. Yep.
Yep, okay.
These stainless steel slide skis were fabricated and shipped directly to us. RGV's contact information is at the end of this video and in the video description. Thanks again, Mitch, for sharing this RV upgrade.
Perfect. Yep. That one went in good. See it?
Mm-hmm. Give it a couple pounds.
Good.
Yep.
Here's our site at Ocala North. This is Hans, and we're almost done.
I want to put weight on that.
Oh, you're gonna push up on the slide ski for a few minutes?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna leave like that until I come back.
that's a good idea.
Oh, you're gonna set it up and then go work, do another job, then let it dry? And we leave these the way they are until you come back?
Yep.
Gotcha. So we're going out with the kitchen?
Yep.
Bump at a time?
No, just go ahead.
Just kind of box right over that metal bar in the living room? Yeah.
Okay.
Out. That snapping and stuff is seals. Three, four, five. Sounds pretty normal on this side.
After a few months go by, with travel days and new campground locations, we will post an update.
Well, hi friends, this wraps up our slide ski project. We took our plastic broken ones off and installed stainless steel slides on our 4 big slides, our hydraulic slides. Everything turned out great. And thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to hit that like button. See you later.
We're here with, forgot his name.
Overall, we ran the slides in a couple more times and checked them, and overall we're very happy with how this project turned out. And our help from our RV tech was really great. We appreciated it. So until next time, guys, see you later.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Let me do it again. It's complete. Overall, we're very happy with how everything turned out. Our RV tech with.
If you know someone that might find this video helpful, please share and remember to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. See you on the road.